Hello lovely people. Alright, I gave myself half a day. Alright, school starts tomorrow, so I'm going to make my granddaughter some muffins, and these are awesome lunchbox fillers. Alright, first thing you want to do is you want to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. You want to get yourself a 12-hole cupcake tin. I put a little bit of butter in each one, then with your fingers mush it all around and make it coat the whole thing. Then I tip a little bit of flour over the top of the whole thing. Go over to your sink, bang it around everywhere, then tip it upside down and bang it on the corner of your sink to get the excess out, and then you've got that ready to go. Now the next thing you need is to get two large bananas. So if you've only got small ones, put 3 in, 3.5 in. 2 large bananas and mash them up as good as you can. And you want to get 2 eggs in a bowl and beat them. 2 cups of S.A flour, 1/3 cup of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of bicarb soda, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, your 2 beaten eggs in, 3/4 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of, I use olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if you want, but I definitely prefer olive oil and it's a lot better for you. And your 2 large bananas, your 2 large mashed bananas, and mix really well. Now grab your cupcake holder, a couple of tablespoons. This is optional, but I like putting some shredded coconut, because in the oven it toasts it and they're beautiful. Putting some little chopped chips on some of them. I just like mixing it up for the little ones, so there's something different. These are awesome. You can freeze these, put them in their lunch boxes in the morning frozen, and they'll be thawed out by recess time for them. So you get stuck and you got nothing, they're in there ready to go. It's killer. So I'll do 4 with the coconut, I'll do 4 with the chopped chips, and I'll leave 4 plain. As soon as your oven's hot enough, bang them in there. Oh, they smell so good. Kids love these. Alright, this lot took 22 minutes. Now I'll leave them in there for 5 minutes to cool down a little bit, and then I'll pull them all out and put them on a cooling rack to completely go cold. Little beauties out, my friends. Alright, we've got to crack one open as we always do. Look at this. Oh. Have a go. They're so yummy. So soft and, oh, look at that. Thanks heaps for watching. I'm going to go take it easy for a little bit and I'll be back with something else. Bye.